morning and we'll say namaste to one and all present here. Friends, changes are inevitable. Every passing second becomes history in the next seconds. And the importance of change, no one can understand better than we social science teachers. And now the time has come to bring a great change in our education system. And for that, this NEP 2020 is going to be implemented very soon. Friends, can you tell me what is the full form of NEP? New Education Policy. Actually, after 34 years it has come, that's why people tell it New Education Policy, but ma'am, it is National Education Policy. So, let's start with a positive belief and a strong determination to bring a great change in our teaching, education system. But in our Indian tradition, there is a culture to start any new thing with muh meetha karke. So today's session, I am going to start with your muh meetha karke. Okay? India believes in diversity. So different types of toffees are there. What you have to do it, you have to pick it up, but please don't eat it. Just keep it with you. Okay? Because yesterday I asked to B.S. Pandey sir how many participants are there. He told me are about 45. I don't know if more than 45.
Yes. Same problem with us also.
56 toffees are here. I was in advance, but if no anyone missed it, then please forgive me. Please.
Is it real or artificial intelligence की तरह?
एक एक ले लीजिए, सबको ही पास करते चलिए.
Now pass the parcel.
No, please don't eat it. Just keep it. हाँ, कुछ और नहीं.
I was also told only 47, so I brought only 47 maps.
Otherwise, I don't know. Now you all can eat your toffees. And you all must be having pen and paper. No ma'am, instruction was there that teachers have to bring their own materials. Then how activity will be possible? If state, then largest coffee producer, state of backwaters, heart of India. Just note it down so that you can match your answer. Powerhouse of India, Falcon capital of the world, soul of India. Yes, you have to write with the numbers. Let me see whose all the guesses are correct. Soul of India, land of 5 rivers, valley of flowers, and sugar bowl of India.
Land of Bihar, mineral state Jharkhand, largest coffee producer Karnataka, state of backwaters Kerala, heart of India Madhya Pradesh, powerhouse of India Haryana, Falcon capital of India I don't know, but I have written yes, Chhattisgarh. 9 soul of India is Uttar Pradesh, land of 5 rivers Punjab, 11 is Jammu and Kashmir, and 12 is Maharashtra.
Anyone else? Second India, Arunachal Pradesh, land of Biharas, Bihar, mineral state Jharkhand, largest coffee producer Karnataka. 1968, Indira Gandhi government announces first national policy of education, which was based on the recommendations of the Education Commission, which was formed in 1964 and presented its report in 1966. Then in 1986, Rajiv Gandhi government launches new education policy focusing on adult education and empowerment of minorities. And after that, some modifications were done in 1992 in this national education policy under P.V. Narasimha Rao government, adding a common entrance examination for professional and technical programs. Now we are saying that JEE is are common only. Then in 2005, new education policy introduced by Manmohan Singh government, with some recommendation was already there about common minimum program. Then in 2016, this policy by Narendra Modi government addressing gender discrimination, creation of educational tribunals and a common curriculum for science, maths and English was introduced, and one committee was formed in 2017, new education plan with major changes scheduled to be launched by Narendra Modi government. It was launched and it presented its report in 2020, which we are going to follow in the coming years. It was the committee of NEP, Padma Vibhushan Kasturi Rangan was its educate, encourage and enlighten. Educate, it focuses on developing cognitive Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya, Chanakya, Madhava, Patanjali, Panini and Tiruvalluvar. The policy provides for reforms at all levels of education, from Bal Vatika, that foundational stage, to higher education. NEP aims to increase the focus on strengthening teacher training. Friends, this 50 hours training, 25 hours CBSE and 25 hours in-house training is not sufficient. NEP focuses on teachers training, and that's why once again we are here. Reforming the existing exam and assessment system, early childhood care, which now in the inauguration session with master trainers, Principal Sir A.C. Sir told that early childhood care, EEBP, is main focus from this. And restructuring the regulatory framework of education, now shift from rote learning to competency-based learning, that is based on the skills. Setting up NEC, that is National Education Commission, under the leadership of Prime Minister, and increasing focus on vocational and adult education. Now friends, one activity, as I have told. What the change you are seeing in the room? Is there any change? Wonderful. Means you just see the importance of time. Within seconds it changes, and that's why now the time has gone and time has come to adopt new policy as per the new changes. Okay. These are the teaching learning styles. Pedagogy we all know, andragogy it is adult learning, then heutagogy that is self-determined learning. Standard of teaching. Know your student on student learning and engage in professional learning, that is teachers training. Friends, we have seen when the periods are longer in the class, then after some time, children start creating nuisance in the class because there is a capacity to fill the brain, and that is our teaching structure should be according to brain-based learning, that is BBL. Brain-based learning theory is based on the structure and function of the human brain. And as long as the brain is not prohibited from fulfilling its normal processes, learning will occur. So in our 40 minutes period or 45 minutes period, we should plan everything. Activity should also be there. Some emotional relation should also develop in such a way that it should be applicable in the view of society and world and for the stakeholders. Now, holistic education. NEP gives emphasis on this. Holistic means as a whole. It has been taken from a Greek word, holo, which means all, whole, entire or total. These are the benefits of holistic development, and which type of development should be there in holistic development? Mental, emotional, physical, social and spiritual. Inclusive education means male, females and transgenders are also included in this normal teaching process. One transgender filed a case in Supreme Court and then she won also, and then it has been implemented. Now in most of the forms you must have seen in gender column male, females and others. Others are also there. Others are for the transgender. So in NEP it is also very majorly included. Then need for creation of moral and spiritual values. This NEP 2020 says, education must build character, enable learners to be ethical, rational, compassionate and caring, while at the same time prepare for the future also. Now, one activity. Now only I told you, students should know each other. Interpersonal relations should be developed. We teachers should also know each other. So, others will guess which sentence is wrong. Is it clear? Understood, friends? I am a teacher of social science. I teach in BSA at BSCB school, and I teach very nicely or whatever it is. Now you just think which sentence was wrong. BSCB. I teach at BSCB. Like this, friends. You come here, you have to tell 3 sentences, or if it is difficult then from your place only, you just tell 3 sentences about you, in which 2 will be true and 1 will be false. The others will guess which sentence you are telling lie. Are you ready? So yes, who will be the first? Yes sir.
My name is Priyanshu Dutt. I am from DAV Beta and I am not a graduate.
Which sentence is wrong? I am not a graduate person. Very good sir. Anyone else?
I
Yes.
am a student. I teach in Devi Cutting School, Canton Khagar, and I am a master trainer.
Yes. Yes. She is not a student. A teacher student she is. Yes. Anyone else? Yes ma'am.
My name is Vinita Sharma. I'm a good orator and I'm very tall.
I'm Sunita. I'm a social science teacher. I'm a brand ambassador of India.
Which sentence is wrong? Yes. Anyone else? Yes.
But every Indian is a brand ambassador of its country, so that is very true. My name is Annapurna Jha.
Annapurna Jha. Yes. Anyone else? Yes. I am Nutan Jha. It's my pleasure. And I am from DAV Transport Nagar. Which sentence was wrong? Yes, ma'am. Yes.
My name is Shruti. I'm a social science teacher and I belong from Jammu Kashmir.
Which sentence is wrong?
Jammu Kashmir.
My name is Mona Lal. I am PGT in history and my painting is world famous. Painted by Diano Govind.
Like history teacher.
So friends, this type of activity we can conduct in our classes also, so that students will know each other. In between our teaching, this sort activity will refresh the children. In NEP, there are 17 SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. We social science teachers all must be knowing what is sustainable development. And this sustainable development goals, SDGs, are, first one is, as per NEP, there should be no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, then industry, innovation and infrastructure, then reduced inequality, sustainable cities and communities, then responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace and justice, strong institutions and partnership to achieve the teaching skills, teaching pedagogy, short-term approach, medium of instruction, outdated syllabi and non-holistic learning. Most educational universities and institutes are engaged in the mass production of courses, then rather than preparing students for the unforeseen future. Recently we have seen Amazon, Google, Microsoft, they all have laid off their employees. So we have to prepare our students for those unforeseen future also. Now, I have some cheats. What you have to do, you just pick up these cheats and then you have to group activities. You have to perform on the causes of 1857 reports. We all know what were the causes of 1857 report. So, on any one cause you have to perform it. Yes, 6 cheats are there. This group, anyone cheat? This group will perform on that cause. Yes, next immediate cause.
Yes.
Friends, please. Yes.
Listen, please, teachers.
The immediate cause of 1857 revolt is Enfield rifles.
Use of
Use of Enfield rifles in which this side.
They are soldiers. Suppose he is Mangal Pandey. Okay? You just instruct him that you have to use this Enfield rifle which has been introduced in this country.
You all will have to use Enfield rifles.
No sir, we will not use this Enfield rifle.
Why?
Because the cartridges are made from cow's meat. Please with cow meat.
Arrest him. Then hang him.
Hang it.
Tried, executed and hanged to death. Now you tell me sir, in promotion was not given. The payment of British recruit was more than even Indian Subedar. And third, they were sent out motion, so they were not wanting to go overseas. Okay, that we are performing. And the British person. Hey Indian, what do you want to say?
I want to say I completed ICSE exam and you are not promoting me. You are just continuing me as
No,
a
you are an Indian. Our British recruits are better.
Why?
They will go.
Why?
They will be given superior post. Go out. But do the work.
I'm capable to do.
Go out.
I want promotion. I want promotion.
Go. And what do you want? Why are you here?
Because I don't want to go overseas. Because if that doing so, I will going to lose my religion. I will not go.
What is left in the religion? You Indian people always going about religion, always religion. No, no.
We Indians are...
No. Your leaders have promised not to go overseas.
No, no, we want to go overseas.
What do you want?
Yeah, most people go for it.
Sir, we have
social cause. There were various social causes for the revolt of 1857. It is said that the fear, rumors and prophecies which were there, and the fear was there among the people of conversion to Christianity. British had passed various acts abolishing orthodox practices like sati pratha, child marriage. Then by the Charter Act of 1833, Bible was made compulsory in the schools. Train which they started the first railway in 1853, and people had to sit together and travel. General Services Enlistment Act was passed by General Canning, in which people had to go overseas. Everyone had to go, the new recruits, and they had to fight. So all these made people scared, especially the Orthodox Brahmins, that there will be a loss of their religion. So social cause, there are various 2 or 3 we have taken, and we are going to enact on it. Sati Pratha, it was abolished.
Actually, Sati Pratha, that system, Sati system, that is actually for women it was necessary. When even as women, husband died, then she had to burn herself alive with the dead fire of her husband. So I am enacting. So I was just imagine at that time, child marriage was very prevalent there. So I am a very small girl, but my husband जो है वो उनका डेथ हो गया है और हम लोग उसको सर ये गांव वाले मुझे पकड़ के ले जाते हैं. No, नहीं, I want to leave. I want to leave. Why should I die? Why should I die? No, I can't.
It was abolished.
What? But you know, and this is the main social cause. So that the Raja Ram Mohan Sarai, Seminary, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and other social services. So this was the one social cause that actually made the people. What?
Please don't talk. Gopal, please listen.
There are several social evils that were existed in that time of India, and this became the basis for the revolutionaries to raise their voice against the English government. Okay, so there is some other. Okay, and this is for the women education.
I'm General Canning. All the new soldiers, you have to go outside and fight.
Wow.
Go in the army of Burma and you have to fight. All the new
I
recruits.
also. So it will curse my religion. How can I go? I don't adopt.
No, you have to go.
I don't want to go.
You have to go and fight it, and you'll not get extra allowance for it.
These are some.
All of you read Bible. All of you read Bible. Bible is compulsory in the schools. All of you read Bible, and you will be converted to Christianity. I'll convert you to Christianity.
But there is a voice once more. That's why we are
Now next group will come. Yes, come. Which course you are going to that? Which course will pass? Political. Oh, she is dancing in that. Your Highness, very soon your kingdom will be annexed.
No, till I live, I will not give you my kingdom. I have adopted a child, and my adopted child will be the future king, my successor.
Under the doctrine of land, you are not allowed to adopt any other higher. You must be your own natural higher.
No, that policy I will not accept. I will fight for my
Your
kingdom.
Highness, very soon you will be annexed by us.
Then
Not only Jhansi, but Awadh and Takya Tope will be also under this rule.
In spite of this, I will fight for my kingdom. I will fight till my last blood will be in my body. I will fight for my kingdom, and my son will be the next successor of my kingdom.
Thank you, very soon.
Awadh is
you will
also
be
annexed on the plea that the government is not functioning
Thank
well,
you.
so war broke out.
Thank you.
Very good. Okay, last pause. They have prepared a lot. They have got new ideas also after seeing another group. Okay, please.
You are the new recruits of this group. You have to shoot the innocent Indians. Just take this gun. No, shoot the Indians. Why can't you? No. Just use it. No, it is not possible for me. I can't use it. Why कीचड़ भी और सुअर कीचड़ भी लगी हुई है? I can't use. These are such all rumors. No, such thing here. Exactly true. The innocent idiot. No, it is exactly true. No, we can't use. But you have to use it. No, it is not possible for me.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, the second point we have. Yes. This is the transfer letter. You are being transferred to London. No, go there. Serve. It is not possible for us. We can't go there. Why? It is because अगर हम लोग वहाँ जाते हैं तो हम लोग सागर को नहीं नाम सकते हैं. हिंदू धर्म के खिलाफ है. It is against the religion. Violating your religion. No, you have to go there. You have to. No, it is not possible for us. No. If you want to work, you have to go there. No, otherwise just leave a job. No, it is not. Yes. Or otherwise punishment. Okay, I realize.
So as only 5 groups were there, that's why economic policy will be here only. No one could perform on economic policy. But we all know. Now friends, blow the balloons. I have some balloons which I am going to distribute among you. Again, listen the instruction. Okay? No sir, don't stop. Keep on blowing so that it will burst. Keep on blowing. Yes. Keep on blowing. Keep on blowing. Yes sir. All of you. Yes. Yes. All of you. Yes. All of you. Yes, ma'am. All of you. Yes, let it burst. Let it burst. Let it burst. Yes, ma'am. Please. Let no sir, don't stop. Let it burst. Let it burst only to. Yes. Yes. Now friends. Yes. Let it go. Yes. Now friends. It shows that when atrocities goes beyond the limit, it bursts. And that happened in 1857 report. There were so many causes, people were tolerating it, but when it went beyond the limit, then it burst in the form of okay, so this activity, friends, we can do it in our class also, so that our students will learn what were the reasons behind 1857 report and why it happened. So in NEP, we have to bring these innovative ideas. Now you see, what has changed in this NEP? Technical courses in regional languages, then fully online degree programs. Now the degree programs will be online, board exam pattern tweaked. Now semester system will be there in NEP, no board will be there. A la carte subject options in institutes. So far in hotel, in restaurant, in menu, we just pick the food items, or in our cable connection, a la carte is there. But now in subjects also, a student can read physics also as well as Sanskrit also. From anywhere he can pick it. Then data science is 3 plus 3 plus 4. And this education system, new. So far we are following 10 plus 2 system. But now it will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. In it, first 5 years will be foundational. In 3 years will be Anganwadi, pre-Vatika, preschooling, Bal Vatika, ages 3 to 6. Then the next 2 years, that will be 1 and 2, standard 1 and 2, ages 6 to 8. Then classes 3 to 5 will be preparatory year. Then middle sections will be classes 6 to 8, and secondary sections will be classes 9 to 12. The key principles of national education policy. This is the key. These are the key principles. Continuous review will be there. Critical thinking and creativity. Unique capabilities. Then emphasize conceptual understanding. Use of technology. That is very important in NEP. Then community participation, equity and inclusion, and respect for diversity. Highlights of NEP. Universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% cross enrollment ratio GER in the school education. Collaborative learning. As I told you friends, now also you perform the activities in group wise. But there may be some activity to conduct as a whole. That is collaborative learning. Learning should be enjoyable. When you were blowing the balloon, it was enjoyable or not? Just imagine the happiness of our kids. Then clarity of concepts. During if we perform that role play, our student will only perform. We have to guide them. Then clarity of the reasons of 1857 code. Then meaningful learning, critical thinking should be there. Concept mapping is it. Now, one more important thing is Ministry of Human Resources is now Ministry of Education. Earlier Smriti Irani was the Ministry of Human Resources. Now this ministry's name has been changed as Ministry of Education. For the school, from 10 plus 2, now it will shift to 5 plus 3 plus 3. Well, two of you come. Those who have got Paleolithic age, where is Paleolithic? Just start from Paleolithic. Then which age comes, then you ask who has got like this. Okay?
It will take.
Who has got Paleolithic period? Paleolithic. Got it. Then you match the incidents with others also. Okay, 2 of you take it, ma'am, and then arrange it in a chronological order. Okay, and then we will decorate this room with this beautiful codon of our Indian history. Yes, then holes are there, ma'am. Paleolithic, you just
Imam sir.
Yes, just match it whether it is correct or not. Just see it whether it is correct or not.
नीचे से हम लोग लगाएंगे, वो पहले वाला सबसे ऊपर कर देंगे।
ये इधर लीजिए।
This is codon of Indian history.
अब आप पकड़िए, अब इनको डालें। आप सर।
Yes, cards are there. These cards are there, sir. 35 cards. This they will then arrange it and then decorate this. Yes, 1 or 2 more you should come and you should arrange it. Just it is collaborative learning.
हिस्ट्री से
Mistake is there that stepler also I have brought. आप हाँ उधर देखिए ना पकड़ लीजिए मैम.
Then Mesolithic period, then Neolithic, then Chalcolithic period, Indus Valley Civilization, Mauryan Empire, Gupta Empire, Slave Dynasty, Khilji Dynasty, Lodi Dynasty, first one of Indian independence, formation of Indian National Congress, formation of Muslim